underground. We'll fight alone, just as we used to do in those days. Alright. Fight just like we used to do. When I rep Philly, though.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm about to go polo down on her. She says one more thing, I'm about to break her face. I'm tired of hearing stop every second that I turn around. I'm watching without a trace. Don't get up the thing wrong, I'm rapping cause these people don't understand. I don't write, I freestyle because I'm a man. But if you didn't like the style that I proved to you, it's just another thing that I like to do. The camera hits on me, I say turn off the flash. Don't make me come over there and whip your... I cannot say the words right now because you know I got them snitches waiting around and telling me, because when I drop the rhyme as if it's never been dropped before. Turn that monkey thing off before you get smacked in the face. This rap goes out to everybody that did not know anything about lethal T. Well, now you know that I'm lethal to the soul. Don't let nobody know that my goal is pure snow. And if these kids don't like me, that's okay cause I'm Vipey and I don't give a damn about it. Now let me know how it's supposed to go. And if you don't know how it's supposed to know, it's supposed to go. I'm making no sense right now, but it's okay because I'm feeling it, and that's what I gotta do in order to get real with it.